Need a little DIY pick-me-up? Let's make rosemary tea. Hi, Sarah from Ayers Hand Botanicals here. Today we are going to work with our friend Rosemary to help us get through the day. You know, about 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you've been at your desk all day, you've been studying and slaving away, and your brain kind of starts to turn to mush, but you can't necessarily walk away and take a nap. Let's talk about how rosemary can help get you through that. Just even smelling rosemary, whether it's essential oil or tea or just the herb, can actually help to increase focus. And if you want to herb nerd out a little bit with me, I'll spare you the details here, but down in the description below, I will link some studies if you really want to get into some of the science on that. So when we make tea, hottest water we can find, boil the water if you can, and in our cup, we're going to cover it because all of those fragrant aromatics that are part of the magic of rosemary that helps us increase cognition and improves the blood flow to our brains, a lot of that is going to be in the aroma. Almost everything that we cook with, those aromatics are so important. So I'll show you my super high-tech setup. Yeah, that's right, folks. It's a big old cup with a plate on top. Very high-tech tea here today. Selecting how I'm going to brew my tea, you've always got options. Of course, we can use a tea ball. A lot of people have tea diffusers at home. I tend to use a tea bag. The tea bags I get from Amazon, and again, I'll throw a link in the description below. These are a little larger than what you normally see commercially when you buy tea at the store. So I can get a lot of herb material in here without overpacking the bag, so I can still allow water to circulate there. And I don't like cleaning up messes. So the tea bag is the best way for me. And the best tea for you is the tea you're actually going to make and drink. So for me, I'll tend to cut out the messy stuff just so I can get that tea in my body. So we've made our tea, right? Let it steep a good 10-15 minutes. Use a heat-proof mug or an insulated mug if you want to make sure that stays nice and hot. And herbs work best when we use them in conjunction with some other strategies. So in addition to having our cup of delicious rosemary tea, we're also going to, while she's steeping, maybe take a little walk, maybe dance around your kitchen a little, get those steps in, check your watch. Oh yeah, getting my steps in, all right. And this is going to help your body overall, get the blood moving. You've been sitting all day, you've been sedentary. So we're gonna move a little, we're gonna take some deep breaths, get the oxygen going. You can sing if you want. I don't know if it helps, but it certainly doesn't hurt, depending on who your neighbors are. Now I've got my tea. I'm going to sit back down at my desk, refocus, grab my tea, and I'm telling you, if you've never had just rosemary tea before, do yourself a favor. It smells, there's a brightness to the aroma. Not exactly citrusy, but there's something just really uplifting. And I understand why rosemary has such an affinity for the upper body, for the head. So we're going to take a little taste. I love it. I just had a cup of tea earlier today and I thought, oh my gosh, we have got to talk about rosemary tea. Some friends that go with rosemary, if you want to jazz up your tea a little bit, throw a slice of citrus in there, some lemon or lime, whatever you like, some honey or a little sugar, maple syrup, go nuts. It's your party. I'm not the boss of you. You get to make this tea however you want. So, and again, the best kind of tea is the tea you'll actually drink and enjoy. Don't just take my word for it. Do some research, see if it's right for you, and also see how it feels in your body. I mean, for me, it really is uplifting and it helps me focus for the rest of the day. I can't drink a lot of coffee, so rosemary tea is a fantastic choice for me if I need to beat that dreaded afternoon slump and knock out the rest of my day. Let me know how it feels in the comments, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.